welcome to Sunshine Odyssey. So let us eat a healthy oatmeal, guys. And I'll show you on how to prepare this healthy oatmeal para naman sa ating healthy living. Let's go!
So hi everybody, so I am just preparing my healthy overnight oatmeal. So for the ingredients, I'm just using this almond milk. Mas better talaga yung almond milk na gamitin mo. Tsaka I have here the peanut butter. I have the honey for the sweetener, guys. I have the chia seeds. Of course, yung raw oats po natin. At saka, itong si flax seeds at si walnuts are optionals lamang. And then, I'm going to add on my favorite fruit, which is the banana and the mango. So, let us start, guys, and help you out on how to make an overnight healthy oatmeal. Let's go!
Alright, so ating first step ay maglagay tayo ng rolled oats, either 3 to 4 tablespoons. So dalawa ang gagawin ko, isa sa akin at isa yung sa asawa ko. Next naman, ilagay natin nating almond milk. So actually, guys, you can use any milk naman, but for me, the best at masarap talaga si almond milk, perfect para sa ating oatmeal. So guys, just simply mix ang ating oats at ang ating milk. So, next one ay malagay tayo ng chia seeds. It depends on you guys kung ilang tablespoon. But for me, okay na yung 1 tablespoon each dito sa glass container na ito. Perfect! Next, maglagay ng flax seeds. Sabi ko kanina, optionals lamang dito. Depende sa inyo. But for me, masarap siya i-add din dito sa ating oatmeal. Alright, next guys, ang ating peanut butter. So, skippy yung brand na gamit ko. Masarap siya. So, maglagay tayo ng 1 tablespoon each sa ating container. So, humirot ako ng half, guys. So, I'm excited to eat no, but we're not yet done. So, next, maglagay tayo ng honey. Ito ay optional lamang, sweeteners ng ating oatmeal. You can use yogurt naman, but for me, bet ko gamitin si honey kahit medyo siyang mahal. So, atin siyang i-mix lahat. So, mix lang natin ito hanggang maging bet na yung consistency ng oatmeal mo. Next, dito naman sa akin, ito yung para sa akin, guys, yung maliit sa asawa ko. So, let us mix na lang lahat. At para make sure na okay na, so maglagay tayo ng walnuts, guys, add on sa ating healthy oatmeal. Masarap din pag may walnuts, especially roasted ang aking ginagamit. Alright, so ito na ang ating topping. So, gagamitin ko ngayon ang banana at mango para sa ating toppings. So, ever since na gumagamit ako or gumagawa ko ng oatmeal, banana talaga yung first na option ko. But today, I will try to add on mango, guys. Sabi nila masarap daw. Na-try ko na din gamitin yung apple dito sa oatmeal. Masarap din siya. Basta, guys, any fruits you can add on for the toppings, it is fine. Especially fresh fruit, strawberry, apple, berries, yon. You can add on sa toppings ng oatmeal niyo. Iba na talaga ang panahon ngayon, guys. Dapat aware tayo sa ating kinakain. Dapat always healthy talaga. Especially for me, gusto kong mag-lose weight talaga. Kasi I'm trying to conceive. Sabi ng OB ko, I just need to have a healthy, balanced lifestyle para naman makabuo kami in God's perfect time. Diba? So, dinamihan ko ng mangga kasi gusto ko yung matamis siya, yung sakto lang tamis dito sa aking oatmeal. But, fair naman yung paglalagay ko ng fruits dito sa dalawang container para sa asawa ko, diba? Yung extra, kinakain ko na lang. Anyway, so we're almost done, guys, for making our healthy oatmeal. I'm so excited to eat this one. And we need to make this overnight. 8 to 12 hours, depends on you. So, sa akin, overnight lang. After ng shift ko, ito yung breakfast ko na oatmeal. Right, guys, this is it. Ilagay na natin sa ating refrigerator ang ating healthy oatmeal overnight. So, dyan ka lang. Alright, so after 12 hours guys, it's already out of my duty. So it's time to eat my breakfast. O, diba? Perfect. So ito na yung results ng ating overnight. Look at the consistency guys. Amoy na amoy ko talaga ang sarap ng oatmeal. I'm so excited to eat this. So share ko sa inyo guys ang unang tikim. O, diba? Sabi ko, it's really perfect. Masarap. Alright guys, kain po tayo ng oatmeal. Share ko po sa inyo. So anyway guys, you can try to make your own healthy oatmeal. So any versions you can do it. I know, sa panahon ngayon guys, iba na talaga kapag healthy tayo, 'di ba? Bawal magkasakit. So dapat alam natin yung healthy lifestyle natin as a person. Rin sa field ko, sa work ko, always akong graveyard shift. So dapat talaga pag out ko, yung kinakain ko is healthy guys. Para naman mabalance yung hormones ko, yung healthy lifestyle ko. Alam nyo naman yung night shift na worker, diba? It's not easy, lalo na kapag hindi balance yung lifestyle mo. Good thing naman ay hindi naman ako smoker, wala akong vicious sa life. Gusto talaga maging healthy talaga guys. So lalo na sa aking industry na pinapasukan ngayon, ang BPO world, iba na talaga ang lifestyle, lalo na paggabi. So dapat i-balance po natin ang lahat. Okay? Para everybody happy at healthy, diba? Mahal ang magkasakit talaga guys, to be honest lang. Dapat mahalin natin ating sarili guys, kasi bawal magkasakit, mahal ang magkasakit ngayon. So be it. So, if kaya kong gumawa ng oatmeal guys, why you don't try it, diba? I know you can do it. Time to say goodbyes everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and once again, this is Sunshine Odyssey. Have a nice day. Babush!